Unarite pile, ahe ahe. Bena utepile manjadira, unarite pile yena. Bena utepile manjadira, utepile ma.
Welcome to another episode of Minnow Podcast. Today we are going to Eastern Cape. Today it's Brazil. Guys, give him an ear, listen to his story. Those who have not listened to his music, he's gonna tell you how many albums he has, how many singles he has, where he has been featured, so that you can go and listen to him. The aim of the platform is to give an ear to those who are not being able to be listened to give a chance for people to reach a different market, to give a chance to people to reach people that they have not been able to reach. So, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Azil. Minir,
Puti.
how's it?
Hayi, ndiyaphila Puti. Inkosi yoxolo isangigcinile ninjani?
Siyaphila baba. Minir, welcome to Gauteng first of all. Welcome to Gauteng.
Thank you.
Yes, and welcome to Minnow Podcast.
Thank you. So
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, you can greet the viewers at home.
Okay. Babukeli nabathandi boMinnow podcast ndiyanibulisa nonke nguAzile lo Mvandaba all the way from Eastern Cape kwidolobhana nje bizwa ngeLibode kwilalanyana nje kuthiwa iGqulu. Abanye bazothi ngwaseMthatha because iGqulu it's 10 k's away from uMthatha and 21 kilometers away from Libode. So nansuka eLibode eNyandeni.
Amen. Why or maybe we started by saying, tell us ukuthi wazilo bani from way back. How where do you grow up and how do you grow up ekhaya?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hayi ilula man ibali lami zolenza libe lifuthane ne.
Yeah.
Nizonixolela banga understand isiXhosa nizozama ubane di mixa so that nizokwazi ukun accommodate.
Yes, or they can learn.
Yeah, if bendile esikolweni hayi benzonibetha ngesikhuwa. Hey, but asikho.
Yeah.
When we talk about Azile, Azile ngumfana nikhulele emakhaya ke. Yeah, nikhulele emakhaya. uAzile uzalwa ngabazali abaphila under Christian umbrella. Nami ndikhulele khona. Ndingena inkonzo yase-ZCC.
Okay, so yeah, I think bring the mic. We don't want to miss.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
yeah.
Yes, ndikhuliswa ke kwinkonzo yamaZayoni Zion Christian Church. Ndikhuleke ndingumntwana ongena icawe njengabo bonke abantwana. Ndakhula isesikolweni kwade sike kwafika ixesha lokuba nami njengendoda ndihambe ndiyozama as ndi-based ngoku eDurban. Abantu abaninzi bazixelela uba ndingowaseDurban. No one ngowaseDurban but ngihlala eDurban. And andinguye wase-East London, ndingowaseLibode but e-East London khona umsebenzi endiwenzayo khona sisazoncokola ngawo. Ukunilandisa kancinci nje ngami kakhulu kuzofikelela emculweni. Into yami iqale mosiyazi xa ukhulele ecaweni ufika istage apho nawe uqonde nami ngeke ngiqala ingoma ecaweni.
Oh yeah. And you usually play it for 6 weeks and only do it on the 7th.
Yeah, ukuthi uyabona khona le ngoma endiyithandayo phakathi ke ndiyiva iculwa ngutata ubani wangumambani hayi ngifuna uyiqala nami. So mna elami ibali ndiyenze ezo zinto ecaweni ndimncinci kakhulu. I think mhlawumbe nje beno 6 years. 6 years 7 years hayi bese ndikwazi ukumisa ibandla.
Yeah.
Ngilimise ngengoma.
Yeah.
Enye into eyadlala ke leyo nto in my life my father bekumuntu ohamba eGoli eGauteng. So wayesebenza apha eGauteng and also khona nabanye obaba engikhulele kubona. bebehamba eGauteng so bengiphathelwa ama-cassette ngine nickname ke abantu abangayaziyo utata wanikezona zona wathi ngicassette wathi
Why?
ngicassette cassette mosi xa ngicula
Yes.
if uze necassette
I
remember kukhona icassette lalithi kwakuvolume bani konje lezethi simkhukhu volume what bekukhona sorry I remember bekune spila esasiculwa ngu the late Mujeremane re batlanka bawo baboka. So bendingicassette because if my father or labo baba abanye base engisonta nabo beze necassette uzofika nalo ngoDecember eze kwi-leave uma ibuya April eza kwi-Good Friday ngicula zonke izongoma
manje uzoyicassette
zonke and zonke ezongoma ndiyazicula and bayanibuza bangoku isisuthu esi so sifunda phi ndithi lo nimamele lento eculwa pha even though kamanye amagama beningakwazi ukuwa pronounce kakuhle but so ndanikezwe lo gama lika cassette and xa ufika I think bengila ko 12 years 11 12 13 xa ndihamba nama cassette
mama uyapi
anywhere la ngiyabona if ngifike kwesakho ngifika nine Haifa kudlala icassette kuzodlalwa elami ngithi hayi awufake la ngikuzwise la abantu engikhulele kubona bayazi faka icassette la ngizogidela nokugidela futhi ngizokwenza yonke into because ngifuna ulalele lento
imnandi lento
so bengazwa ngaleyo nto ngihlele emaphaketheni nginama cassette amanye azalimala ngisho ukulimala and bengiwumaster ke cassette yabo mase liphume layer tape
uyazi kulenza
kahle ngilibuyisele ngetape kuzoba yileyo ngoma nje naleyo ndawo but nje icassette lami lonke lisekhona yabo lapho ngiyakhumbula kube kuseyo amasole yatumelo kube yini kukhona maningi lama group akudala ukuthola ukuthi kune mixed choir yabo ezabo mulu the late Nkosana Stocks and Stocks abarapili mina ngikhule ngalo music so ngakhula ngaba nothando lomculo until pass matric 2007 ngaya eKZN so ngafika ke KZN khona hlala 2007 2008 ayabona uthi ngiyabhoreka man la kumele ngicheck abantu around man si form a group and then ngathola ke amajita engisonta nawo we form a group esasibiza ngomlazi choir.
Wait, you said after 2007 then we went to
KZN.
Okay, yes. Then you formed a group lapha.
I formed a group lapha ebizwa umlazi choir. Ayisahlangana ke sa practice so kuye kwahamba because kwi group yami bekunabantu abanye abafunda ko DUT ko MUT so uma kunama function structure sakhona they used to invite me in a group yami until baze bajoina bonke ngaba umuntu osiza eMangosuthu nase DUT mabene lezinto kunama functions akhona nje ezethi CSF so bekuyimina kofike abe nechoir lapha it's either ngifike nechoir seMangosuthu or sihlanganise ichoir seKZN yonke iUKZN kuno Howard College Westville DUT ongoye wonke varsity akhona mind that mina nifundi
mara uyabasiza
ndiphakathi ngingenele nje umculo
yes
so
mana wena when you went to KZN what were you going for
KZN umthetho wami ndandiyofunda
yes
ndandiyofunda ndandifuna ukwenza electrical engineering eMangosuthu so into eyenzeka 2008 before uphele ndafumana umsebenzi I was working as a merchandiser
okay
so ndithe xa ngiqala ndisebenza okay kwa that anondibeke imali for ukuregister next year ngikwazi ukungena esikolweni so xa kuqala iregistration kwakhona izinto endizijongayo okay okokuqala anifunanga ukhitha umsebenzi ne that at least if ngafumani course enizokwazi ukuyenza attend noma ngiqala ngo4 then ngizocela esikolweni espan ukuthi banginikeze leyo opportunity ukuthi ngikwazi ukuya esikoleni. So daya ke ndiyo register hayi basho ukuthi into zami zonke ziza kuhle but ayikho andizukwazi ufumana iziclass endizifunayo kwi-elect.
Okay. Lezi eqala late.
Eziqala late.
Yeah.
So that I no mandiyeke because xa ndichecka nasemva ekhaya imeko ayinivumeli situation ayivuma ukuthi ngingavele nje ndisuke ndishiye
emsebenzini. Yeah.
So kuhambe kohamba imethe enye brother khona phe structure yanikeza enye motivation yathi hayi my brother yazi kwenzekani mina njengoba nifunda apha abazali bami bathengisa inkomo zabo selling izinto zabo for me to start. So it's not guaranteed ukuthi mase ngiphuma la ngizothola umsebenzi. Wena uyasebenza. I-advice engakunikeza yona le mali encane oyitholayo save money, start a small business. I forgot the guy's name. Angisakhumbuli not he's from Limpopo or from Botswana because abantu abaningi besihlala nabo lapha bebefunda kulama varsity they coming from outside KZN. So this guy wangichazela lento ngathi okay this guy now is talking. And futhi akuphelanga no 3 months and then ngaqala by photograph. Abantu abanilandele kudala ku Facebook bazokhumbula bendine company endandiyibiza nge Top Image production. So bengenza photograph lapho ngenza ama video nezithombe ngama weekends mangekho emsebenzini
lo merchandise.
Yeah. So weekend if ngithola igig ngeweekend ngishaya imali edlula ngisho isalary yami.
Angikabule esikoleni lo ngeke aye esikoleni.
Imali engiyisebenzela ngenyanga so kule photograph bengikwazi ukuyenza nge-weekend eyi-1.
Yeah.
So, that guy man wafaka enye into ngaphakathi kumina so ngiyambonga ngimazi nokuthi ubani uphi
makhumbule if he ever gives someone this advice
uyabona and mina
and
at that time mina ngifuna ukubuyela esikoleni ngithi ngifuna ukuyofunda. So okay yaqhubeka ke impilo ngiyulo muntu ongena ke kuma structure baneyocula. I remember I summit ka that day I'll never forget that day. Bekune national summit UKZN. I'm sure abantu be attend structure bayikhumbula leyo summit. So one guy athi that time bese ngifome my group ebizwa ngomlazi Big Brothers. Ila ngenza khona iEP senza ingoma ezu3 but sapusha only one song. That was a hymn ndodana ka David. That hymn is the one that ngengabuye ngayifaka on my previous album.
Yes.
Because abantu bayifuna bathi sicela ubuyisenzele that hymn and then sikwazi ukuyithola online. So senginaleyo group ke and then saya bekune national summit and manje thina besiye structure esiqoke kahle formal yonke into. But kule besingena idea we thought it's just an event. Akuyona like a prayer. So we went there ngiyakhumbula sasingenawo nama blazers sasifaka ama shirt ayisibahle. Manje sifike safaka kama jacket wethu ngaphezulu lapha but because of I program eyayikhona we ended up not performing there but we enjoy ilokhunja I prayer the whole night kwakunama choir o TUT Venda and we learn ingoma ezintsha from that national summit. So passion yami yo music ayiphelelanga lapho ngipushile that EP because siyenze ngo 2015 siyenze 2014 siyipusha 2016 ngengamuva ngespan ngafika la bathini le Springs.
Okay.
Bese ngisebenza ke emaglassini sengisebenza amaglass. So kwathiwa ngizovula ibranch this side hayi ngafika. I remember bekuzoba ne-event ka the late Dr. Kenny Makweng.
Okay.
eRabasotho. eRabasotho eThembisa. So I'm checking it. Hey, uyabona manje ngine chance yonke because ngila eGauteng and kukhona ne-event. Hey, and ave ngifisa nokubona uKane. And that time ke uMulu sasikhulumile before ngifike eGauteng.
Talking about what?
Ngithi phela I was inspired by this guy Thapelo.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ngithi ukubona umfana omncane olingana nami
Yes.
ecula kanje yabo.
Growing up
So,
and growing up in front of your eyes as well.
Yes, and
Yes.
so nami ngangifuna ngize ngisho ngithi hayi ngicela ungifake nami
Yeah.
as a back singer.
Yeah.
Nami ngamane ngilekelela njengoThapelo yabo. Uloku ngiveza kancane otherwise umculo no ngiyawuzama.
Yeah.
Kahle kahle yena ngangimfonelela indaba ngangifuna ukumfeature yona le ngoma ethi sihlangene end up engiyenza naye. Leya ngoma kwakumele ukuthi siyenze 2014. And then I think sa disturb kukhona unyaka angikhumbula ukuthi uMhulu Nkosana usweleke nini.
Wasana I was
Nganothi 2014
I was
2014
in
or
Tishari, there was somewhere around somewhere.
Yeah.
Yes, we
Yeah,
talk from
but ngisaphazanyiswa yileyo saphazanyiswa yiyona le funeral yakhe kuleyo arrangement yokuthi and the song bengizoyenza be a cappella usihlangene.
Yeah.
So after singakwazanga kulokhu nje okay ngafika sengifikile sengila eGauteng and then I took a number from a poster for a ticket ngithi I think attend le event. I took a number and the number kwakuyika Lesiba no
Lesiba law
Yeah.
way manager work.
Yes,
Okay, yes.
So I took a number ka Lesiba ngamfonela only to find out the guy is not far from where I was.
Okay.
Ugathema. So ngathi hayi bro meeting drive ngize lapho kuwena and then I went to him. We made friends man. Within 20 minutes bese ngidriver sesihla sinyuka sifaka ama poster event naye.
Yeah.
We talking like isasihlangene angazi kudala.
Now you've got a chance to be close to Dr. Kinmagwena.
Hey,
Yeah.
so this guy athi no now I'm working with Mhulu Makweng.
Yeah.
I can connect you with him. Or before that,
Yeah.
la emotweni ngidlala this
Sihlangene.
song no
Eh?
these 3 songs esasizenze
Oh,
Big Brothers.
EP layer, yeah.
Yeah, and then uyabuza hey who's singing here? Ngithi I mean. Are you serious? Ngithi
Yeah.
no man, I think I must connect you with Mhulu because he recently registered his own company which is Kenny Mark.
Yeah.
So I'm sure he will need some artists. Ithe bro ngajabula uyazi ukuthi lo muntu ngeke ngakhuluma naye.
Yeah.
Ngimkhombise ne-inbox ngithi buka la ku-inbox wanginikeza inamba.
Yeah.
Athi no don't worry uzobonana naye.
Yeah.
And then kuyakwenza ukuthi before i-event ifike ngabuyela back to Durban and I was moving back for good ngingazi ukubiwe ngibuyele la. Then emsebenzini banginikeza ibhaki bathi na ibhaki uzosifakela idizili wena uhambe uye la uthi busovela uplan ukuya khona. Mangichecka ukudrive ngisuka le kuzongcosta a lot of money. Then ngathatha ibus overnight. Ethembisa eRabasotho was the first person ukufika lapho. Abantu besound bafike
After wena?
Yes. Fika abantu besound bapaka babehamba ngeveni eblue.
Yeah.
Bapaka lapha so ngami ngabatshela ukuthi hayi ngize ku-event kodwa i-event iqala late ngathi inkinga ngisuke eDurban.
Okusayo ngila. Izongithola.
Ngisuke eDurban
Yeah.
so angina choice. Then kwafika uNokuhuma.
Yes.
He was also a part of Kenny Mark.
Okay.
And then okay this guy he say right sharp. I know Azile bit was Eastern Cape but I'm from Durban now. Athi okay uze ngithi ngize ku-event ngize ku-show. Athi you joking man. Keep it-ticket lami ngikhombise ngithi nali i-ticket.
Yeah.
Athi no ways man. Afonela uMhulu. Mhulu khona umuntu osuke eDurban la nje yesterday kukhona osuke eCape Town oze ku-event yakho and he's also my homeboy. Uviyo lwethu. Hayi yithi hayi ngeke man. Okay afika uMhulu ufika uhamba no Kekana. Sasimbiza uPet ne Patrick Patrick Kekana. He was one of abantu ababeku management yeKenny Mark. So I figured this guy hey kuthi hayi nanku lo mjito usuka eKZN
Yeah.
ku event umulo athi hayi no you joking man mhlawumbe khona enye into ozokungathi hayi no ngize ku event nali ticket
And you were the
And then-
first to be there.
hey
Yeah.
itook iselfie kune selfie nje mawuchecka ku Facebook wami kunesithombe ashaya iselfie kuyimina naye no
Is it?
hey
We will show the pictures. So
Yeah.
hopefully we remember. Yeah.
yeah so he took that picture hey
Yeah.
he was very excited and then afika uLisiba athi okay sizokhuluma nomhulu after i-event about leya nto besikhuluma ngayo it mean I know akunankinga but I ended up not attending leya event neRabasotho.
The same event that we were early for.
Yes.
Why?
Ngiyangaba ne-call man kwaba khona into ekufanele ngiyoyilungisa. So one of my friends wazongilanda eThembisa.
Hi, man.
And then
how did you feel?
We went to Polokwane. No. Khona ngakunako lokho but ngathi lento ngoba sengize ngathola le call ithi angiphuthume le. Ngahamba saye ePolokwane sabuya Monday then ngabuyela back.
But at least you met Kenny.
I met Kenny wazonginikeza ne-DVD. I remember i-ticket engangilithengile lalihamba ne-DVD. Lalihamba ne-DVD or i-CD.
Was it Rata
Kamata, the first one?
Yes, Rata Kamata, it was after which was it? Yeah, I remember.
Yeah,
it was, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, just to confirm. Mr. Ngosana Godi died, passed away on the 22nd of June 2024. Actually, this weekend it will be 10
2014.
2014, yes.
2014, yes.
It will be 10 years.
Yes. I remember because uthe umulu mayibuyela kumina wathi no sithi stepe indaba lokhunja ka mulu uNkosana. So singaqala phansi sikhulume ngale nto esikhuluma ngayo. Okay sabonana nomulu sakhuluma abo EJ babekhona lapho Kekana umuntu engambonanga uDitiro X.
Yes.
So okay sahlukana lapho and then bang-edda kwi-group.
Yes.
Edda wabo kwi-group. I remember attend ama get together
Oh, you were part of Kenny Mark group because I remember you used to wear this red
t-shirt, I had everything.
Yeah.
Yonke into and then after ngibuyile I told uLisiba, do you know ukuthi umhulu une-fans ezingakanani?
Eastern
Cape, all that side. Ngathi okay guys asenzeni kanje ngifuna ukumdayisela ama-CD kwenziwa njani and then I remember i-distributor yakhe owaka music what ka Tswarelo. So ngafonela uTswarelo I ordered the stock from him ngambhatala ngadayisela umulu kunenye picture nayo ngizoyibheka where I was in South Beach nemoto yomngane wami sibeka ama-CD nama-DVDs wakhe playing music wakhe eSouth Beach eDurban.
Nothing is.
So I ngayipusha Renee Lwematla.
Yes.
That album ngayipusha eDurban. I think I sold around 50 copies because I took ibox yokuqala which is 25 ngayidayisa phela and I took another ama-DVDs one I think ayilabo 15 or something. So ngazama ngaphusha wona then kushuthi kuNkulunkulu wangena kuyena ukuthi hayi man buka lo mfana ukuthi ukuthanda kangakanani yabo lezi zinto akwenzela zona and bengisuka eDurban mina ngizo attend ama get together
just for ama get together.
I remember kune sport kwakune sport day kuyisuka lamtheo gospel mega mix kube yi-full cream then kuzoba yi-Kenny Mark nalapho nginama memories akhona I was playing there.
It doesn't why ungathi it doesn't sound like you were playing, you were there. Show ama on goal.
No, ngangiphethe number 1 wami lapho uItumelengu EJ.
Yeah.
Ngangiphethe uEJ lapho
Mr. Merit Man.
Yes. Just naye lapho. So saphusha attenda ke lo ma get together kanjalo until one day umulu mayikhuluma nawe bengeka akhulume nawe ngabo 10 11 I-voice note yakhe ingena ngo-4 ekuseni.
Yeah, someone said the same. I don't remember who said the same lapha kufanele.
Oh,
Someone mentioned the
ekuseni.
same. Yeah.
Uzozathi ngena Azile. Ngena mfana sekhaya.
Yeah.
Hayi azothi kumina Azile, I think we should do 2 tracks now.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina ngithi yeah, I would love.
Yeah.
Angithi uyazi ukuthi ngangicelile.
Yes.
And wanginikeza iprice efixture ngakutshela ukuthi
Yeah.
haya ngi-afford.
Yes.
Well, athi no, this time ngicela senze 2 tracks.
Yes.
Nawe but kumele uze la eGauteng, kumele sowenza la eGauteng sizorecorda Triple Z, which is
Yes.
Blue Black.
Yes.
Sizorecorda Triple Z. Ngithi mina hayi akunankinga mulu, ngicela ungizamele i-quotation yakhona.
Yeah.
Hayi athi okay. Athi okay asenze kanje Azile. I-quotation anginikeze i-quotation ye 2 tracks. Ngithi mina ngicheckele ne full album. Anginikeze naye ngibona ukuthi hayi kwayile full album I can go for a full album
Okay.
because I do have songs. Ayike compose ngebhodi hayi. Angiyazi lento. Even now mawuthi ufuna ukuya studio manje singahamba nginayo ingoma enje.
Yes. We will talk about that
A new
because
song.
I see that on your albums as well. Ukuthi it's compositions.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
So uthema esho kanjalo mina ngangisengiyazi ukuthi iziphi ingoma engizozicula naye.
Yes.
My plan kwaukuthi senze usihlangene, which is sakwazi ukwenza, and the song Bekezela, because I know he likes Mkuku style.
Yes.
So I composed ingoma clear line yakhe. Yabo, so that ngenzela ukuthi yabo lo muntu ngifuna masicula naye, even noma kuthiwa isiZulu akas understand but the reason why ngengamlandela kakhulu yena it's because of he was using Nguni language uma ecula, so kwakueasy ukuthi ngim understand. As much as ngangilalela wonke ama artist, and my favorite which is Olseng Shuping, is also my inspiration. Uyena umuntu ebengicula ingoma mina, noba unganginikeza ingoma manje ka Olseng
Wecula
noma inini uthi utangiculela ngizokuculela as it is.
Talk about compositions, I want to start back. I want to take you back, Kanin. You talk about listening to the cassettes. You are still young at that age. As your father said to you, Guti, how do you understand what they're saying? Do you understand at that time what they're saying?
Uyazi bhuti kukhona izinto esiyesithi ngeSixhosa noma ngesiZulu ezakwamoya.
Yeah.
You know, ayithi batha amahuwa music, it's a universal language.
Yeah.
Mna that time angaze ngihlale nabantu let's say abakhuluma isiSuthu.
Yeah.
Or iSpedi.
Yeah.
But the way artist ezocula ngakhona nami engizocula ngakhona, I will end up having abona umuntu ongisize kakhulu, it was the late Olseng Shuping, because yena benama Bible verses uma ecula, so it made easy for me ukuthi noma ecula nga something, then ngithatha leya verse ngiyoyichecka kwiBhayibheli yami esiXhosa, ngicheck uma ethi kanje lisangibana uthi makuziswa abantwana, even before akhuphe le yesiZulu ialbum.
Yes.
So beku easy ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi uma ekota kwiBhayibheli nakuma interviews wakhe ko obano Gospel Gold, yes, xa nimamele nithi okay that song uthetha kanje nakanje nakanje, but the way enzoyicula ngakhona you would understand when uzoba naye le nto ukuthi this guy uyayazi le language as it is. Kanti mina spiritual ezinye izinto zazikwazi like ukuzireview ukuthi lo muntu ukhuluma ngalento la, even though ngingazukwazi ukuthi word to word uthini, but bebethi mabengibuza ngecassette ngidlala ingoma kuthiwa hey kuthwani la, ngithi hayi la kukhulunywa ngento ethini.
Yeah.
Ukuthi uthini word to word angeke ngikwazi ukuthi.
Yeah, but I know what the message is.
Yes.
And because even you mentioned the same Uguti, even when you went to that what do you call it again? The summit again. You learned songs from University of Venda, from TUT, and I can assure you Uguti, probably they were not singing any scores. Even when Venda, probably they were even singing some in Venda. But you said Uguti, you also took some songs from there.
There was this song, man. ngisazi ukuthi Jesu kimate
Yeah.
hamba kanjalo
Ibo phela ke babafiyona.
I think it was kwakuyi-Venda
Yeah.
University of Venda ishaya
Yes.
leyo ngoma hayi Jesu kimate siphuma lapha batshela bafethu hayi
Say-
le ngoma
say-
seyicula
seyicula
le
la.
uma kuthiwa
Do
nje
you know
siyacula.
what it says?
I don't even know.
Mare, Sala
But
is speaks about God.
Yes. Ngicule and manje ngifuna ama lyrics akhona ngiya kulabantu engibaziyo.
Yeah.
Athina ama lyrics ale yangoma hayi abantu khona oyedwa. Ngithi awukathi mina bengikuphi ngedwa because zonke ingoma eziculwa lapha ezimnandi engingazazi ngisho ngithi abafethu masihleli sizozicula lezi ngoma.
Yeah. Manje lisicula kanjani ngoba alazi ukuthi bathini lapha.
Wena mawukuthi uya understand ufike sizoyicula ngale ndlela esizoyicula ngayo uzoze ufike wena usicorrect phela
then we will know.
uyazi ubhuti uzohleka ukuthiwa yabo umoya kuleli side lethu Eastern Cape KZN
Yeah.
siyazicula ingoma zesisuthu
Yeah.
sivenda
Yeah.
konke I remember this one sithanda ukuyihleka ithi Gimang atlapaka
Yeah,
Jesu.
yeah.
So baba abadala ba imali yatlapaka. So angibona bezwa ngaleyo ndlela ngakuthi imali yatlapaka. So bamba lapho imali yatlapaka. So ba correcta mase iphelile ingoma ukuthi hayi akuchiwo kanjalo ukuthi imali yatlapaka yabo. So izinto kanjalo but indaba ukuthi ingoma ithini soyibamba ngendlela as long as sazi rhythm yakho ukuthi ihamba kanjani
As long as we're not swearing here.
yeah because even at this side kunengoma zesizulu othi mawuzo ecula usho ukuthi I know ayihambi kanje
Yes.
but yena uhambisa kanje but siyayi-enjoya imnandi because yazi lo muntu uyacula and akuyona ilanguage yakhe.
Yeah, I remember I was telling someone ukuthi I once stayed in Cape Town. Like few people understand his pedi that side. I was telling him it was just a matter of time before I became a priest there. Because I knew Zibedi. I'm like, oh, this one knows Zibedi. So I would know this is not the line. Yeah, I was it's how we sing this song. That is not the lyrics. So yeah, I understand exactly how we. So again,
yeah,
you grew up in the city.
Yes,
as you are seeing.
Yeah,
and most of our songs are in speed.
Yeah,
ne? How challenging is it now as a musician now?
Yes,
to now come up with to compose, which I will also talk about it, but I want us to talk about the language now. To compose is another thing.
Yeah.
Now to compose a song in its course. How is it challenging now? Because that most market is paid people. How do you find it?
Because ngoba ndikhulele ndikhule ngawo lo music so i-rhythm isiyon gospel it's about i-rhythm otherwise it's a gospel because and most sub genre ye gospel. Yes, so it's a gospel. So mna ama melodies wami I use ama melodies are accommodator a Zionist but using my own language.
Yeah,
using my own language. So akukho and kuyenzeka nifike e-studio mangisebenza noDubi ngithi khawudlale khona into engathi it kunengoma the song Be With Us. It's a song engayicomposa ngilapha eBlue Black ngaphandle uthi the late Makweng uthi azile kumele ube nengoma ye English. Uthe Makweng ucabanga ukuthi ngiyithatha phi English mina. Uthi kumele kube nengoma ye-English ngithi all right it's fine ngama ngaphandle mhlawumbe nje ngihlale nje 2 minutes ngakume noNuku noDida no Abi no bani omunye Erens wayengakafiki so nomxolisi Mxolisi Mpomela amaji engasebenza nawo kwi-album yami yokuqala so ifike le ngoma ngiyicule ngithe Nuku aniculeni la le ngoma hayi siyicula singena ngaphakathi uDubai Fak Be With Us. It's track number yes I think track number 3 or something.
Yeah.
So akukho nzima for mina because i-rhythm zingaphakathi kumina.
So
just
you want to keep the rhythm.
yes.
What is important for you to keep within the ears of these listeners is to keep that rhythm.
Uyazi into xa ingaphakathi kuwe when something is inside. Kuba nzima noku-explain ukuthi yintoni le ngaphakathi.
No. I was saying to you ukuthi you are saying ukuthi you think ukuthi to even if the language there is a difference,
yes.
but you feel that to keep within the barriers of the listeners of the Sion gospel, as long as you can keep the rhythm.
The rhythm, yes.
Language and does not really matter.
Yeah.
Yes, because I want us to go back a little bit like at albums, because you are talking first album, but I mean I only know one album. How many do you have, Ran?
Album, I got 2.
But then online there's one.
There's 2.
Online?
Yeah, there's 2. The first one, Bending Azil, was Azil. And then the second one,
with
Azil
the same
Mvanda.
name.
Yes. So that's why Umak Vela, unless
when we search,
you
Azil,
search Azil Mvanda. But if you can search Azil, you will find the album yami yokuqala ethi nguye yedwa. Yadayisa le album.
Is it? Then I should get it, because now I only know this one, Azil, and this.
Ngadayisa ama hard copy. Mina ngizothi achievement, because that was the first album. I sold 1,200 copies.
You're not talking about rents. I'm
talking about
you sold
the
the copies.
The copies, 1,200.
How did you do that?
Hey, ezinye izinto uyungazi ukuthi uzochaza kanjani, because i-album mase iphuma abantu bebesebeyilindile and bisenesikhathi abantu beyilindile ukuthi the album is coming out. Into engike ngayenza, I was checking ukuthi ubani osethembise engimaziyo. Kube ngithi now 25. Ubani osePitori now 25. I was doing it distribution myself. Guys, distributela mina music. And there's a guy owangisiza. And manje ngilowe ngibuza ukuthi labantu ababethenga ama-CD wami bakuphi kanti. There's a guy, man, and I only heard after 3 months that he passed away. His name was Raibo, yeah. Wayine lokhunja bathi High Rise Music. Wayidayisa music eKurumane eBasrank. I don't know ukuthi wangithola kanjani, but ngabone sengifonela hey Azile, ngicela isitoko sakho ngiuraibo la elokhunjeni eKurumane. I need your album. Ngizwile hayi ipowerful. Benginengoma A1 ngengayidlala la eBasrank. Babuya bonke abantu bazofuna ialbum. Angaze ngaya eKurumane, angazi umuntu eKurumane. But abantu baseKurumane I think bebodwa ba kule album bathenga 500 plus copies, bro, without road promotion through that brother. I may his soul rest in peace. I was hurt, bro, because that guy, I think he usiza ama-artist amaningi to push music, but angaze ngibona even a single artist ethi rest in peace Raibo.
Yeah.
Ngizwe after three months. And the last time I spoke to him, that was after my first event in 2021. Wangfonela, what your event was great, bro. I saw my videos and everything. I want to do something for you here in Kurumane because you have supporters here. So basically, you're planning I. And then it disappeared. And then there's this one guy, Waifuni album yam, which is the second album. My funaleo album, this guy actually get me now. I know go to Basrank.
There is Raibo.
Ati no, is no longer there. Ginai inbox here that guy just that in Kotli Kamalak. Ati is no. And then after his cut, abuyazo. Kibuye ngimbuze, what do you mean when you say he's not there? Wavala la pasa 7. Ati passed away 3 months ago. Bro, I was very hurt. And there are benzo suga KZN ngihamba ngevenda to attend his funeral because that brother wangikhombisa enye into wayebiza athi ngicela ungifakele 100 copies bengohambisa ngetaxi afike MTN rank unomuntu lapho uzofika wathatha awafaka intweni ePhuruma besenza kanjalo naye fakela 100 copies within a week uzobuyisa imali athi azi isitoko siyaphela ngicela ubuye ungifakele.
So that is how you were able to sell.
Cape Town nakhona benginabantu abangidayiselayo PE benginabantu East London benginabantu home eMthatha naseDurban Bizana ziningi lezi ndawo benginabantu abangidayisela ilo.
Sure.
Even naseBotswana babezifuna but
you were already part of Kinimark at that time. Oh, okay, yeah. So because Botswana you also had.
Yes, and abantu baseBotswana vele besihlangana kumarket.
But what I also want to ask about this about the composition, because I was talking to someone yesterday when we were at
State
Theatre. He was saying we so much want new composition, but maybe the fans are not ready for the compositions. He was saying maybe he was making reference to Special. How many of if Special was to sing a composition or the sing song that people know, which one do you think will receive good reception from the audience? It is the one that they know. How do you find Nokuti? Do people are they acceptive of your composition? Do you find Nokuti people are receptive of compositions?
Okay, on that one, bro, because abantu baye basho bathi yeah kumnandi ma performing ingoma yaziwayo ngabantu. The way uNkulunkulu angiphe ngakhona uma ngenza isong ingoma kuba yi-anthem. Most of my songs are anthem. Ngafika State Theatre ningangazi but ngizoniculisa ingoma yami nonke.
Oh, so the secret is in is it the chorus?
The chorus.
Yes.
I make the chorus simple.
Yeah.
And then ilokhunja yengoma ingoma uzozwa mina mase ngiyikhipha
yes.
Maybe chorus uzonga understand. Uzwe nje ukuthi I know it's just a chorus. But kuma verses wami that's where ngichazayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. I remember khona this song ethi kumnandi.
Yeah.
Kumnandi actually
is it from the second one?
From the first album.
Is it from the first?
Kumnandi.
Okay.
Kumnandi was one song no Sihlangene.
Yeah.
It was an introduction of Sihlangene ngomthandazo. I was saying kumnandi ukubona abazalwane.
Yeah.
Behleli ndawonye benziwa luthando and then it is sihlangene ngomthandazo. So mangifika e-studio kwathi we are waste away. Yenye ingoma le. Yenye ingoma le. And zoyi-2 lezo ngoma ziphume zaba into right abantu bazamkela. So kumina ingoma ezintsha it's about ukuba creative. Make lokho nje chorus yakho ibe simple. But make sure ukuthi uyakwazi ukubachazela abantu ukuthi lento okhuluma ngayo nenye ingoma ethi ndinohambo.
Yes.
It's a new song ndinohambo olude ludinga wena. The chorus is just say wena ngosiyam
yeah
wena ngosiyam wena ngosiyam. I'm the one osho ukuthi ndinohambo olude ludinga then i-chorus iqedela lento engiyishoyo.
Oh idinga wena Nkosi yami.
Yes, I have a long journey.
Yes.
Good upon suka khona, good upon ndiyakhona but ndinga wena. So ngeke nihluleke ni audience ukuthi wena Nkosi yami.
Exactly.
Uyabona? So ngeke uzongibuza ukuthi ingoma yami ichaza ukuthina unless i-language maybe awuyizwa. Uyabona? Unless language awuyizwa but indlela mina engizokuchazela ngayo ukuthi la why like ngikhuluma ngalendlela noma ngicula ngalendlela.
Okay. Oh, so you are saying ukuthi you even though there might be a language barrier, but there must be catchy chorus.
Yes.
Or not easy per se, but a chorus that you can
chorus.
be actual to sing along
Like-
to, because most of the songs that we sing, mostly you are caught by the chorus.
By chorus,
Then
yes.
you start listening to
Ukuthi-
the actual content.
Yes.
Okay, so
Kunjani.
okay. On your first album.
Bekuwudida nomxolisi
Yeah.
bebenza i-tenor and then isoprano beyenzwa u-Abi Malema
Yeah.
uhlale elukhunjeni ethembisa yena. So ngisebenze nabo and then i-album was produced by the late Kenny McQueen,
Okay.
Terence Morgan, my nigga.
Yeah.
My nigga.
Yes.
Yeah, ngisebenze
You-
nabo.
yes. From the
Yeah.
first album, you worked with Terence Morgan.
Yes, from the first album.
Yes, you worked with him, and you know, Kitoba Yao Barka later Terence, because I feel that you rate him high. You've been talking about Terence even before, even off air as well.
Yeah.
But Sitlangen, man, I'm sure people who have picked up, they picked up already or no, man. This guy is repeating Sitlangen many times. Sitlangen, even on the song.
UPV.
Yeah, on the UPV.
I put that line.
Yes, Sitlangen
I
Mtandaz. What
I
is
did put that line.
Yes, what is about that? Ken?
You know, angidle ngoma ngithe the introduction isuka from okumnandi ukubona abazalwane behleli ndawonye.
Bahlangene.
Ngawuthi Spedi
Umnato.
Hulithatero.
Abana babuthi baratana.
Yes, yes, it's from there. So each and every time ndinabantu ndibona ukuthi there's a unit here. And abantu abahlala nami bayazi ukuthi ngithanda kanjani umculo.
Yeah.
Angeke sihlukane singaculanga ukumnandi nosihlangene ngomthandazo.
Yeah.
So when we're doing that prayer song, it came to me ukuthi okay la sama artists and it's a prayer,
It is
le
fitting.
aim. So njengoba usibona silama artists coming from amakhona are different, but yona nto esihlanganisile kule ngoma esihlangene ngomthandazo. We are doing prayer.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why nikwazile ukuzwa lower line. Actually in the making of the song, every artist bicula the leader the whole song, but since kunama artist I think 18 plus or about 18, so producer wenze magic.
So you guys were doing the whole song, not only that part. So you were singing the whole song.
Yes.
You sang the whole song from the start to the, it was about 8 minutes, 7 minutes there.
But the man managed to put the song together like loku ngena loku ulandela kanje.
Man. So the producer being Terence,
Terence, yes.
right? What is the experience working with him?
Eish, bro. Ukusebenza no Terence, it's very hard.
Those who
At the
don't
same
know
time,
Terence, Doobie.
Yes.
Some
Udubi,
might know him as Doobie.
Yeah.
Yes.
Udubi ukusebenza naye.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sure.
It's very hard. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Kuya ngokuthi wena understanda kanjani. He's one man or artist akayiyekeli artist, like he don't leave everything to the artist.
Yeah.
Ungafika like mina, my first album. Yes, I composed the songs, but he transformed them. And wanguide ngale ndlela. And he also khona experience anginikeze yona about music. Ukhona lento uma ucula kunabantu abakwazi ukucula like flat voice from ingoma iqala until ize ifike egcineni. So engifundisa ngalezo zinto ukuthi no man, when you sing, uma ucula ingoma kufana nokuthi umuntu kuyi second verse uye wamfaka emoyeni, awusazi umkhipha. The whole song mele if i-pitch yakho seyiphezulu umfaka emoyeni umuntu hamba naye iziyophela ingoma, then kube nguye oqala ingoma phansi aphinda afuna ukungena kule. Ungathi mose uculile like eziningi izinto angifundisa.
Yeah.
It's very easy to work with him. it's hard to work with him if umuntu ongakwazi like ungakwazi ukulalela or ongafuni ukuguide, because I know some artists bafika like omunye athi hayi mina 10 years la kwi-industry,
You cannot tell me anything.
so angeke ngikwazi ukutshelwa yilo muntu mina ngizocula le ndlela engifuna ukucula ngayo. So kuzoba nzima kuwena because umuntu othi i-production ephuma la ine-tag egama lami as uTerence urekhode Blue Black, so angikwazi uvele ngikuyeke nje ngenze into. Yeah, technical I can help you yonke into ibe right, but also na kumele na kwi-voice ngikwazi ukucoach so that technical yonke into ihambisane, because kukhona sinazo ingoma uthola ukuthi kune-artist vocal good, but when it comes to lokhunja i-sound technical or i-studio arekhoda kuso or angazi ngizoyichaza kanjani.
I hear you.
Akumatch
So
Also,
it is a combination. It's not only about the voice.
yes, you
Yes.
can have a great voice ucule kamnandi, but kukhona le yanto edinga o engineer no producer edinga bona. So you can't as an artist, yeah, I know bakhona bane talent that they can produce themselves, but akukho easy. So ukusebenza noDubi kuyi-challenge ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi uma ucula into engayizi uyakwazi ukutshela ukuthi hayi but awuphume lapha, hamba uyothenga into yokudla.
So, but then you are like you're saying, you stay in KZN.
Yes.
Dubi is in Captain Park. I think it's about 500k if I'm not mistaken.
More than that.
More than that, ne?
Yeah.
A distance from there to here.
Yeah.
Most shows are this side.
Yeah.
The only time there's a show in Eastern Cape, it is when you are making one.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
how do you go with that?
Kwindaba okay oqala okay la seduze lana se-KZN singasho nje sithi 600.
Duze kusuka lana ukuya eCaptain Park. That is what being close is. From here to Captain Park. From KZN to Captain Park is not close.
Kuseduze uyabona indlela esisipana ngakhona no Dubi. uDubi yawazi like the time kwenziwa that project ye-UBV. It was only one call on Thursday. Bro, I'm having a session la in a project in a concept entsha UBV. Will you avail yourself? I-recording yami yaphela Sunday. Thursday.
Ukutshela ngo-Thursday ukuthi yaphela ngo-Sunday. Yeah.
Then I flew when on Saturday.
Yes.
Ngafika. Sasebenza ku project.
Oh, why is it closed? Do you have a plane? Why would it close?
No. Ukuthi yeah,
because no.
It
is closed when you are using a plane.
A plane.
It is closed. But
Even
it is not
driving.
closed because of imali yasebenza.
Yeah, imali
Uyabona?
Yeah,
Uyabona now if umuntu ane private jet, you can just say to him ukuthi hey Cape Town ukuthi no come get there within 2 hours.
Yeah.
So yeah. So but then what I'm saying ukuthi you have to when we go to the theater yesterday, took 30 minutes to get there. When if you want to go there, you have to. What time did you leave? Then when did you leave?
I flew on Thursday. Duration flight, I think it's 45 minutes or something. Yeah, from Durban. So if you get me on Thursday,
yes,
then get bring the session vele a studio, but siqale Friday.
Yes, that's what I am talking about. How do you manage it? Because it is costly. Maybe the right way to say it is costly.
Yeah, cost bhuti. Ngifuna abantu banijonge ngathi nemali.
Yes,
Chelete ayiyo.
Okay. Wayibola kaSpain.
Chelete ayiyo. So
yeah,
it's you know, but I forgot to mention something. Saqala ukuthi music to me till now ngisaw treat it as a hobby.
Yes,
I love music. So
what is treating it as a hobby? What do you mean treating it as a hobby?
I feel like I'm not going all out to push my brand musical. I'm more focused on the business,
Okay.
which is automotive.
But
So-
why do you do music then?
I think Zotini kumele ngwenze music.
Okay.
It's something. Even where I did my first album and then I said I'm not gonna do music anymore.
Why
I
was that?
focus kugwi business. It's not like there's something engike ngahlangana naye wrong because angithi but more angazi ngizoyichaza kanjani lento uma kunento eyi-source of income kuwena asikhulume ngale podcast.
Yes.
Sizala kule podcast angiphethanga mali la
Yes.
angibhatele
but
nama-lights nama-rates.
What if there are people that I told ukuthi they have to pay? So when Jambisela.
Askis,
Yes, but I get you. Yes.
So
yes, they are lies there.
kunama-lights kunayo everything. The setup is nice and I know you've spent a lot of money for this. But because you love it, you don't even feel like I'm spending imali for it. That's why now I don't mind paying a studio session, driving or ibhasi or iflight ngihambe nge-studio ngiyokwenza music because it's something. Uyabona this time engithi mina ngisazubuyela e-studio. I had more than 15 new songs. Ekuseni nje mangivuka nengoma entsha ngicula ingoma entsha and when mina ke ningahleka nilale na iphone if ingoma ifike ngo 6 o'clock or 5:30 ekuseni ngivuka kuzomela ngihambe ngiye bathroom or ngene la phansi kwengubo ngithatha ifoni ngicule. Ungahleka e-studio mase ifike ethi uDubi yakho ithini ingoma esizoyenza ngithi hayi thi sibheke la ngilalele athi awungizwisi ngithi hayi ngeke uzi-understand yeke ishiyele mina. So iqala kanjalo ngiqale kanjalo ingoma uyayibona. So into engihluphe ukuthi okay ngithi mina angisabuyele e-studio but ngiyeza ukuthi no man, there's a need for me to go back there and nabantu bayasho ukuthi hey awunayo i-album entsha lapho awenze more music, hayi siyaphila lana. So ilezo zinto ezenza ukuthi ngiphinde ngibuyele e-studio. But I think kuzofika isikhathi whereby mhlambe ngizonikeza umusic like i-focus. But for now kumele at least mangana la kule business yami ngithola ama-million nje few nje azohlala lapha ebheka then uzofocus because music now uthatha isikhathi usikhosta isikhathi. That is why abantu abama-artist kubalulekile ukuthi if ufuna abe yiphathi yento yakho there must be something ayitholayo.
Because you are taking their time.
Yes,
you are taking their time.
Yes.
You mentioned like back then you mentioned something about branding. And also now you are saying okay, maybe you can focus on your brand. How important do you think branding is, ne? And also we asked this question in the last podcast when we had a round table. Are there people who can build brands? Now you are an artist. Do you have a manager?
I don't have.
Do you have a social media manager?
No.
Do you have
I'm being honest, no.
No, true. And you are not the only one. And it's for understandable reasons because those people need to be paid.
Yes.
I get. Have you got a brand manager?
No.
If you were to think I want to build a brand, do you know who to go to?
Yeah, I do know. Yeah, I do know ukuthi obana abantu abangangisiza.
Yeah.
Abantu abasebenza nge-marketing cause if angazi kuna something efikayo la kimi. I was talking to another guy ngendaba ye-live.
Live what?
Ukuthi ngenze a live
performance. Yes.
I told him no, I can do a live. I can produce a live music, but a live music you in a shortcut. If you take shortcut then uyayilimaza kwa ileyo brand oyibuildayo. So you have to go professional.
Mm.
It's either you go professional noma uyayeka. You work with abantu abane-experience, usebenza equipment top.
Just if you are taking your brand serious.
Yes. So it mean I cannot jump into live now ngithi ngifuna ukuyokwenza a live
performance
unless
how many times have you had live performance wena?
And wona mina kwi-event yami angikaze ngibe nayo live performance because I know it's costly and ama-event esiwenzayo asinawo ama-sponsors uyabona. So it's not easy. So kulento ye-brand i-brand, if you wanna build a proper brand, if you can check ama-artist, even ama-artist ase-independent now baqale ngokusayina ngama-recording labels.
Let us make a good example with Winnie Mashaba.
Yes.
But Winnie Mashaba is a brand now.
It's a brand, yes.
But she didn't start building the brand now. She had a team that was building her brand.
Yes.
With the credit that we must give her, she was able to maintain the brand. Even when she went independent, she was able to maintain the brand. But where the brand was built, it was during the time when he had a company. That's why I'm asking you, Okuti, do you have this and this and this? Because an artist alone, you can't be a brand by yourself.
You can't.
And even if you can be popular for a month, it will soon drop. Because there's no one who knows how to keep it there.
I was mina ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngezinto zo music ngithi mina uyabona I see a lot of people complaining about ama recording labels ukuthi bangimropa kanje nakanje. Ngithi there's something abantu abangayiboni ne. Mina njengo Azile ngifika la kuwena MJ uyangisayina akekho umuntu ongazi. You book a studio session.
Risk.
No to be.
Risk.
For men.
Risk.
Une budget maybe ka 250k. You push a project. Another thing is shy.
Another risk as well.
And in the shy tina as a independent artist, we don't know about lezos in Duguti. Mina njengoba ngestudio mina I paused ilento yam i-album yami bekumele ukuthi ngiyayikhipha bekumele ukuthi ngiyikhiphe last year ngiqala ukuyenza last year iyona le bengizoqedela yona manje because anginayo a proper plan yale album because ukwenza i-album and ufaka music online uthi nginama USB kuphela it's not enough bro.
It's not.
And by the time umuntu efike ezokukhombisa ukuthi ekuse bekumele ukuthi wena le album yakho wenza u1 no 2 no 3 wenza ukuthi nokuthi so that izokwazi ukuya phambili. Awunayo imali yokwenza leyo nto and the album maybe say no 6 months uyabo kanti right album kuyiphusha sorry isalo kunje kumele kahle kumele okay ama recording labels enza kanje athi okay we have u 1 million for uAzile une potential siyeza ukucula kwakhe sizothatha i-risk sibeke lo 1 million for yena thatha ukubranda akukho cheap. To build a brand it's not cheap. So bano 1 million. Lo 1 million uzohamba uyo recorder uzungene na kuma billboards ungene
uthengelwe impahla
uthengelwe impahla because
ama interview
kuthi okay ithi simthathe siyombeka eSandton simrentele iflat eSandton uyabo kanjalo yonke. So wena by the time uthuka lapha la bantu angithi baspende imali and kumele le mali ibuye back bayazi ukuthi hayi noma singaspenda imeter sizokwazi within a year mhlawumbe ngale project esizomenzela yona mhlawumbe uzobuya noma u3 million kunama gig lo muntu uzobhukwa nokho thina ke ngokungabheki even nama contract yonke lonto mina ngi-excited ukuthi hey MJ
mali yake
ngizohamba ngelokhunja ngo-out ngizohamba nge-7
ngizohlala eSandton
ngizohamba ngama private jet ngizoba negig
imali iphuma
Cape Town nasekuthinthini say ngosuku maybe nge-weekend eyi-1 ne-performance eCape Town ePE naseDurban then ngihlala kuphi ngihlala eSandton
imali iphuma
imali leyo. So the time when uthuka ngalesikhathi sebevuna lo kade bekutshala kuwena uyathuka manje uthi labantu
Bakutshela
badlala
imali.
ngabo. Labantu badlala
Bathole 80 million. Awucabanga ukuthi
sebethola imali
basebenze 1
engaka.
million before.
Uyabona? So ile into so for thina angeke kube easy. Mina ngeke ngazama uku-approacha lapha eMangosuthu ngicheck ukuthi abekho yini abantu my churchmate mhlawumbe benza into ze-marketing na. Khona intombazane ngangike ngayithola ngithi ngifuna usihlale nayo like ngoba uphuma esikoleni ngizo-afford ukuthi
Oh yes, unlike someone with experience.
angizulokhunja angizumbhadala,
Yes.
but khona something engizomnikeza yona
Yeah.
out of lento angenzelayo.
Yes.
I was trying to form into kanjalo yabo,
Relationship, yes.
but ngabona ukuthi ake ngiyinikeze isikhathi lento ngizobathola abantu aba-right abaphuma esikoleni abayifundele lento aba-right abantu maybe umuntu ozo-freelance athi okay ngizoku-assista ngo-1 no-2 no-3 ngidinga imali engaka. Kufana nento yama-graphic design. Uyakwazi umuntu esebenzela ikhampani but akwazi ukwenzela izinto zakho umbhadale yabo ezenzela yena private. So something like that. So ukubuilda i-brand kona akukho easy, kudinga imali.
Someone I was speaking to this guy who is a business guy. I was gonna say who he was saying, we were talking about this branding thing. He said artists need to learn to fake it. I said it was a big statement. It was a big statement. I was like, what do you mean? He said maybe let me this is my example, not his. Now if someone please excuse my example. If someone comes and wants to record you, maybe they want to feature you, they come and pick you up in a shack. Chances of what they're gonna give you, it's gonna be based on where you come from.
That's true.
Or understand? But if now when they come where you stay, like, okay, no, we cannot give this guy 100 rand. We cannot now say to this guy,
masumnikeza 50 rand uzojabula.
If this one we give him 50 rand, like, I will be buying something today. Yeah.
Lento khuluma ngayo bhuti,
Yeah.
nina ngiyayi-understanda.
Yes.
But from my side, I don't believe in that thing.
Yes.
But for that, hence we said umuntu mayisanda kusayinwa yikhampani ngithatha imbeke endaweni ezi-right.
But where they're putting him is not where he is.
He's not there.
No, he's not there yet. But what are they doing? They are putting him there because now they are building him as a brand.
That's why
Yes.
we see the issue yama artist. I'm talking about kuona wonke ama sector aba-actayo. Ne issue yabantu aba depression.
But they went there.
Depression angithi MJ ungihambisa nge-Audi. Mina nginayo imali out.
Yeah.
Maybe ngithola lo 10,000
Yeah.
ngenyanga ngikwazi ukulungisa nje lezo zinto engizilungisayo. So after kuhamba isikhathi ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyakhula manje. And uma ngibona endleleni ngihlonishwa abantu abakhulu. But mina I don't own izinto engihamba ngazo. Lapho iqala khona ke depression ukuthi ngiyabona and MJ wenza imali ngale lokhunja yami le ngale brand eyimina. Uyambona uthenge iFerrari unokunginikeza nje iFerrari athi hayi ambiyojika la esentini akunikeze oMustang iconvertible uyivule lapha shaya esentini sithi ekuthiwa
ube live
hawu azile kude kakhulu ngibone hamba ngeMustang uma uthenga imoto yimina uma phambi kwemoto ukuthi nginemoto entsha angithi manje ngezibrand kuthi hawu azile phela uhamba ngelokhunja ngeFerrari noma uhamba ngeMustang, so ukwazi umnikeza u30,000 niyezo ucabanga ukuthi uma iqhunyelwa isondo la lapha noma kwenzeka something kuleya moto upetrol awufaka phela leza moto thola ezinye ngoma o63 ngoma 6.2 ukusuka la uye roboting u5 litre phelile petrol. So if uhamba ngemoto ezikanjalo uthiwa hey uyambona lo muntu impilo ayiphilayo, so
ngeke umnike
if wena uthi uzomnikeza imali engaka udlala ngayo.
But okay, so actually it works for the record labels because they are making money off you because you are a big brand. People pay much for you,
Yes.
but you're not getting that much.
Uyayibona?
Bona they are getting it. So it can work. Faking it for the artist can work for the record label.
For the recording label, not for you.
Not for you, because
Yeah,
now when the relationship ends, they are taking everything.
Depression,
empty.
mhlawumbe uyahamba omunye azibulala, commit suicide.
But now you cannot live the same
bagcina beya
standard.
kuma-drugs, umuntu akasakwazi ukulala, uphila ngama-drugs. Kuthiwe hayi lo muntu wayeyistar, lo muntu kwenzakalani, hayi kwathatha izinto zakhe waphuma kuleya recording label. So manje uqala kufika
kule indlu.
Angithi manje mase ihamba endaweni unaloko ebantwini kuba lo muntu kade ngihlonishwa mina mangifika abantu bafuna ukuthatha ama selfie namanje sengizoba umuntu nje. Uyayibona. So
but yeah, Brandon, then what can artists do? Because we cannot lie. We cannot do this by your own. You cannot do this by your own. You cannot just be an artist, wake up, post on Facebook, and then think you are pushing your brand. There is more that people can do, man.
I think kufanele man sibene basic ye business. Because enye into ebalekile kuyenzeka kube khona an independent artist ikhuphe ihit. Mase kuphume ihit ithole ama bookings. Noma ke izothatha umuntu umngane wakhe uthi hayi wena uzoba imanager, whatever le esuka lapha kulabo abantu uzoyidiscussa nami before ubuyela. Batshela ukuthi you prefer ukuthi kulokho nje communicate ngama email. Kanti kwi-email uthetha nami, but nomuntu ozothi mawufona.
So he has no manager actually.
Yeah, ukhulume naye. Then abantu bayithola imali, ube nehit uthola imali. Into eyinkinga uthina South Africans okanye angithi nje odaki. Siye sifuna upgrade i-lifestyle nge-income engekho constant.
Guaranteed.
Ayikho guaranteed. Uyabona uthola ukuthi mina ngizothola igig angithi nje ngikhipha ihit, ngithola ama-gig nje noma la ko-5 mhlawumbe ngibiza boma 25 kanjalo. Ngibe naleyo nhlalo. Mase ngithola leya mali. Esikhundleni sokuthi ngenze something, kodwa mina kungcono ngikwi-business. Noma ngeza nawo labo 25 ngizoba. Akunankinga.
Manje uthi akanayo imali.
Anginayo imali. Kodwa maningeza nabo at least nginayo idea yokuthi
yes.
Ngabenza njani ukuze bangisustain for isikhathi. Uyaybo?
Yes.
So anginankinga naloko. So into eyenzakalayo ile ukuthi umuntu athi okay manje ngenze ihit ngiyabizwa ngabantu ngithola ama bookings. I think move le Midrand endaweni ngiyohlala eflatini la. Ngisuka mhlawumbe ngisuke Alex. I think ngihlale la eflatini. Awu uyangena le mali ngithi manje ngiyacheck I think ngibambe i-Audi lapho.
Yeah.
Ngizibambele i-A5 yami la.
Yeah.
Then nami ngizohlonishwa abantu. Kuhambe isikhathi iyadropa mosilo khonja ingoma. Ihambe.
Ama-gig nawo
ayehla nawo. Kumele ubuye le studio mhlawumbe ubuye ukhiphe something.
Kwenze
mase ubuya ingabi layer level. So usela uke wakwazi ukwenza let's say maybe u 500,000. But lo 500,000 yo ayothenga imoto. Nemoto le engazi ukwenzela anything. Instead mase nepuncher uthenga isondo, shintsha amasondo, uthatha le mali yokugcina. Yebo. So if sine basic ye business kungasiza lo umuntu nje bafethu uma ngabe umuntu osakwazi ukufunda ungathatha nje short course lokho nje ye business just ube ne knowledge ukwazi angazi noba ngizoyibiza mhlawumbe wazi lokho nje i-financial management imali uyiphatha kanjani. Mina ngihlala ngitshela abantu ngithi hayi mina ngingazigqoka izinto ezibizayo but into eyinkinga angazi ukuthi ibusiness yami in the next 2 years or 5 years izobe kusiphi lokho nje izobe noma i-economy izobe imi kanjani. Like now ku bad manje when it comes to i-business. mhlambi kumuntu ke oqashiwe right yena osebenzayo because makuphela inyanga imali yakhe yeza
noma kanjani
thina esiphantayo esingama hustlers siyabona ukuthi kunzima kanjani. So yonke imali oyifumanayo uyazi ukuthi kumele ngiyenzeni le mali ukuze ikwazi ukungisustain for ilokhu nje isikhashana, yebo. So enye into engicabanga ukuthi ama artists ifangazifundisayo yona indaba yemali ukuthi mawubona imali ungothuki
ungathuki
ngothi
relax
mawubona imali ungathuki no. If now 100,000 ohlele ebank ukuyeke kanje mawungazi ukuthi uzowenza
ungawucheck every minute
uzama
angeke ngiphume
uzama ukucabanga ukuthi lo 100,000 yini engingayenza ukuthi ungilethele enye imali ithengwa ngenye imali. So uma uthola imali I know sinezidingo ezininzi nami ndinezidingo ezininzi kukhona izinto ezininzi ekumele ukuthi senizi achieve empilweni but angeke ngikwazi ukuthi each and every 1,000 rand endiyifumanayo ngiyothenga impahla bayabona ndithenge yonke lento endiyifunayo because andiyazi nowa le 1,000 rand xa ifike namhlanje ngomsi izofika na, uyabo. So yenye into engasinceda leyo khona ngiyiyeke le nto
khuluma mfethu siza abantu ngoba remember ukuthi like we're saying
kukho there was a guy man apha ku Facebook wayihlasela i-artist neyokuthi nina umuntu nje uma wakhipha i-album wadayisa ama-CD afew sombone Morio usethenga ukhakha omusha nelo uphethe amagwinya amangaka uyabona. So zizinto abantu ababuye basihleke nangazo lezo ukuthi uma umuntu wathola imali yama-CD uyothuka thatha imali ayisebenzise ezintweni kungenzeka kuba sisidingo but there's no need bra if ngigqoke lelo khunja leli teku imali ngekadabuki nje li right ngihambe ngalo
hayi ukuthi bawubone ngalo kanjani akunankinga
mina
i right muthi ngizahamba ngayo
ngisakwazi ukuhamba ngigqokile nje statulo nje uyabo. And it's very painful my brother lento as much as kwelinye side isifundisa because ngikhumbula abanye becomplaina ngendaba ze plays uthi hayi le blazer yakhe indala le eyale album ethile kanje nakanje nakanje. Angithi lezo zinto zifaka ipressure kubantu ukuthi each and every time mele ngibe nesuit entsha ngibe
for i-album
no for i-album it's ku-right ukuthi isleeve sakho singafaki but uma engabona manje ngifake i-blazer e-navy kwenzeka mhlambi after 8 months ngibuye ngivele kwenye indawo ngifake lelo khunja le blazer sekusho ukuthi Azile uyayithanda kuthiwa uba Azile hayi lo mfana lo weblazer ekanje boys izinto ezikanjalo no man usana usenza kanjalo please
if it's under pressure and then you are the one who's gonna be in those debts come 2 months
manje ngizoloku ngiforce manje ngiye kunabantu bangithungele ngingabi nayo nemali yokubakhokhela babuye bayangiframe ku Facebook Azile akhokhi ngamthungela iblazer manje ayikho imali ayikho
but then I want to ask including about the branding. I think artists should take branding serious. Maybe try to find a way to brand yourself with minimal budget.
Yes.
Don't go within your means.
We are born
Yes, but then artists should take branding serious because if you've got someone, your sister who can you know, maybe they can always, so that every time you look nice, you look presentable.
You just buy a fabric nail kunja.
You look presentable. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. Ne? Be presentable as well. When you come to the show, not to say don't be yourself, but be presentable. But this is an artist because now, like I was saying, people look at you like, this one can take 100 rand. Do you get what I'm saying? This one can
bro,
take it.
I wanna talk about this embarrassment.
Yes.
Uyazi, I went to kwenye event. Kule nto unganaki ukuthi hayi kuseme mina ngumjita ngizoyiqhokela nje. Mind that sengi artist already, but I don't rate myself as umuntu olapha.
Okay. Yes.
So I went to an event just to attend the event from Durban to Polokwane.
Yes.
Bro, angikaze ngiyikhulume le nto no Hooks
Okay.
we-Zion Africa.
Yes.
So I went there. Brian, indlela engangigqoke ngayo ngangizigqokele nje.
Hey.
Yabo.
When you were going for the event as a spectator.
Ngiyobuka ishow.
Yes.
And then before ngifike at Hooks, I didn't know ukuthi ngizo end up nge stage. Ngiza kulento yokuba presentable ukuthi
Be ready.
la uyakhona nje
Be
kumele as an
presentable.
artist ube
Yes,
presentable.
yes.
Noma ngingathiwa ufuna ukuthatha ubekwe lapha e stage.
Yes.
Ukwazi
Ready,
ufithe ube right.
ready.
So ngifika kule gig fika ayiqala ishow, I enjoy ishow, and I was given ilokho nje i VIP access. Then I decided to ngiwumuntu we back seat.
Yes.
Yeah, everywhere la ngithola khona
Yes.
ngizimele lapha.
Yeah.
So sihlale emuva ke enjoy ishow, and then I don't know whether it was before a break. Kuthiwe now we are going to a surprise. A surprise act yethu, it's from someone, and nalowo muntu kuyi surprise. Yeah.
Oh yo.
That time I saw Dr. Winnie walking in, fika hlale lapha, and then ngathi yeah. Dr. Winnie.
We surprise.
Yena ke surprise la.
Yeah.
Hey hayi bamshaya ngenyinto. Ngithe manje noba uzovuma ukuthi avesane
Naye angayazi.
Hayi no, and futhi ngizihlalele ngangifaka ijacket egcina la kuyabanda that.
Yeah.
And then kuthi okay, this okay, now we're gonna play a song.
Yeah.
This song umoso uza ukuthi eyakho. Kumele uze e stage.
Are you thinking what it could be at a time?
Hey,
Hey. Manje umaziyafana.
uyangena ikhwaya. Sihlangene ngomthandazo. Hayi. Enzakalani ngithi
Yeah.
ayasho MC la but azile mvanda
Oh yo.
all the way from Durban come to the stage. Bro, yes. Performa ke ngigqoke kanjalo because ngeke ngithi hayi imani
Ngizayitshentsha.
zikhona impahla zami
Mara wena nje.
ngoba kusebusuku yabonga.
And when you went in SFL.
Hey bro, ngagibele stage.
Ngayo jacket le.
Cha ngayikhulula ijacket phela ngasala ngeskipa nejean nelo khunjani.
Kuyabana.
Hayi ngeke.
But then it's what we are saying.
Eh.
Be ready. Be presentable.
Yes.
Because even if you never know also who you might meet. And also how it is unfortunate because people sometimes treat you based on how you look. It's unfortunate, but it's the world we live in. People look at you like this one. Do you know what I'm saying? So as an artist, to be able to be taken serious as well, you need to take yourself serious as well. We're almost on 2 hours now. So this also because something that probably people ask themselves, I asked the similar question Lapemva. You sometimes make shows, Eastern Cape.
Yes.
You get people that side.
Yeah.
I want to ask 2 questions about that. There are people that you take that side. I've seen people that you show. People will be going to the beach. People flying. People flying.
Yes.
People fly that side.
Yeah.
I'm a hem. You will confirm. I'm a hem. You were paid for them. For the flights. Ne? Number 2. Hopefully we remember both this question. What is your answer? I was speaking to this other friend from Botswana yesterday. Theater. It will be 2 weeks when we release this episode. She was saying she wishes because Botswana people most of the time they invite artists from here from South Africa. Right?
Yeah.
She wished organizers from South Africa can do the same about Botswana artists. But it does not happen. And you find out Botswana artists come this side. Botswana fans come this side to watch. She came to watch Sibisho yesterday.
Yes.
She
Which
said
is
she said
ama-artist asemzansi.
yeah, she said she wishes she wishes like she can come also to watch excuse fan artists from
From
Botswana.
Botswana, yes. In
I don't see you getting booked off on this side. And you book artists going that side. First, how do you feel about that and why is that? But then let us go back to the first one. Paying for the artist.
No. Angithi. Okay, okay, the gig le esikhuluma ngayo, it's called Sihlangene Gospel Festival. Siqale siqale 2022 and then 2023 was the second annual. And this year we're doing a third annual. So into eyenzekile ne okay le event vele iqale ngo-2021 as i-CD launch.
Okay.
And then I took ama-artist from Gauteng, Northwest kanjalo. For me uma uzothatha umuntu okay ngibuye ngiphinde futhi anginamali but nginothando. Yeah, I don't have money but uthando lukhona for ukwenza izinto. So I was fortunate ukuthi ngihlangane nabantu abazokwazi ukunderstanda my situation, which is ama-artist enisebenza nawo webo. Yeah, it's true because angeke ususe umuntu eGauteng ukuthi akazigibelele eze-Eastern Cape angabi nayo indawo yokulala, angadli eswini. So awukwazi ukwenza lokho. That's it's a minimum thing oyenzayo leyo for i-artist uma uyibook. Remember, uma ubooka i-artist, there's a performance fee and then kube nama-traveling cost, ama-logistics nje amanye. I-performance fee iseceleni. And then lokho kulala nayo yonke into. I remember umunye unyaka ngangifuna ukwenza i-event eDurban. So ngangithola ama-quotation from ama-artist. Uma ngichecka lapha amabesho bethi hayi no, this is the performance quotation, yeah. And then for kuzomela usitransport, kumele usibhukhele imoto ezosithatha ekuthini sise-airport, from e-airport i-flight, and then from lapho sino driver wethu, ngihamba no driver, ngihamba ne road manager, ngihamba nokuthi babale bonke
kumele babagibele ibhaloni.
Laba kumele baflye plus ba accommodate kube nelokhunja, kube ne hospitality. Leyo nto ayihlangene ne fee. If fee yakhe ithi 45,000,
it's 45,000 plus that
45,000 wakhe ukuthi akhokhele nabantu bakhe ngendlela abakhokhelana ngayo.
Mara wena melo
but the basic izinto efanele uzenze as basic is uyabona. So okay, kwi-gig yase-East London yeah, ayikho i-artist ekhipha imali yayo izigibelele.
Yes,
bonke ama-artist, i-BBI Entertainment is taking care of.
BBI Entertainment, what is that?
It's BBI Entertainment.
What is that? Is it your
my
production company?
Production ngirana no Acuma Somken.
Okay.
So iyona cover wonke lo ma cost ukudla everything ne-entertainment mase sifike la nje ubone siye beach sifike sicule yonke lonto yabo. So yonke lonto ihandlishwa yilokho nje i-BBI Entertainment.
Okay, that is confirmed. Why? Because as the artist, as this fan from Botswana was saying, why does it sound like the favor is not returned
to me?
You or maybe the people that you have booked, they've never had shows maybe.
And fun ish.
Okay. I hear you.
No man, when xa ngincokola nabantu even ama-artist ngiyawaxela uba no, I'm doing this mna because ndinothando and I'm willing ukuthi ngiyenze lento. Angifune favor in return from you. If it happens you ubuyisela lento engikulokhu nje yona, I will appreciate it, but you are not obligated ukuthi lento ngiyenza wena
You have to
uyenze
do the
kumina.
same to me.
Mina ngiwumuntu obusy, ngihlala ngibusy. Ngibusy kakhulu. Amaglass yabo nje izandla zami.
Yes.
Umuntu wamaglass. Amaglass. So angibi I know kwamanye kuyenzeka if ngizokwenza igig kube nomuntu oyimanager athi Azile dinale artist engibani nobani engiyipromotayo. I can see uzokwenza i-event. Bengicela ungifakela yena. Just nje it's not gonna be that costly yabo. But ngicela ukuthi ungifakele yena kwi-gig. So mina anginayo umuntu ozofonela ama-organizers athi hayi ukhona oazi kufanele nizame ukumfaka. And number 2, I believe ukuthi if umuntu engibona ukuthi ngine potential ukuthi ngenza something kwi-event yakhe, then angeza kumina sikhulume, kodwa angeke ngikwazi ukuhambe ngihambe ngifune ukungena kuma gigs abantu ngikani. If umuntu ebona, because but ngifuna ukuzana kulento ukuthi mina as an artist angiyazi ukuthi amanye ama-artist angibuka kanjani in terms of i-performance nani. And then mina ke that gig engiyenzayo, maybe I don't give my best because I'm the one organizing.
I'm getting something from you which a little bit disappointed about, which is, you know what? So to me, you are saying you're not giving your all to this music. Why? Come on, man. Come on. It sounds to me you are saying this music thing is nice. I'm just because I can sing. Why, man? Then you know what I believe in, Azil, and it's the same even with this podcast. I invest a lot of time in this, ne? Because I believe when you do something, better do it good or don't.
Yes.
Why wasn't?
Yeah.
And for you to do it good, you have to give it your time.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna do something and you're not gonna give your time, then maybe just don't.
Yeah, you know what? But there's another thing. Discourager, ne? Industry too, but asihlale sithetha ngalezo zinto. We don't entertain lezo zinto. Somehow I feel like abantu laba esibenzela music, I'm just talking about their fans.
Yeah.
Somehow they don't appreciate the effort yet. That's why if you can check artists that are employed or are self-employed, they don't often release music or abekho that active. Uzofika leyo album uzuthi mnandi uthi this guy uhleli phezu komsebenzi, kumele uthi uyasebenza,
ahambe ayosebenza umsebenzi
ahamba emsebenzini. Angithi nginale yanto ukuthi
I can work for myself.
Ebusuku ngiyadla. Endlini mangifika ngine plate ngiright. Kunokuthi ngihambe ngithuka abantu hey uyabhimba or noma nje ziningi izinto nje abantu
abangazi.
I know vele lezo zinto ziyasikhulisa ezinye because thola umuntu ukhuluma into kumele uimprove kuyona.
Yes.
Ukuthiwa hey this guy ushayi kakhulu man.
Yeah.
Nginto mina abantu baloko bekhala ngazo. Biyazi uyabona na even nase stage ukuthi like down uyawuva music wakhe yonke into, but uma umcheck so izinto ezikanjalo like mina ziyangikhulisa, ngiprovile kulezo zinto. Angibasaba abantu.
It's not the reason why I'm a glass.
No, I can't. Let me take out this.
Maybe
no, because silale late, ne?
Oh,
so
yeah. Not ukuthi baye groove. Besiphuma
bese stay theater siyo support abafana basibesho. So ngilale late, so amehlo ami ngiyazi mangilale late. Abamancane abebumbu. That's why ngifaka ama glasses ngingafuni niwabone. Otherwise angisekho shy man.
Yeah, so you have worked on that.
So right.
Okay.
But I don't wanna lie. Yona indaba yokuthi ngingabikho kuma gigs ala, and futhi it's painful because some of abantu abenza ama gigs la, they approach me bafuna ukuza e-East London.
Ish. But when they make gigs,
Bona mabenza ama gigs angibi khona, angibi ipart yakhona, but leyo nto mina ayingilimazi because I've got something busy with, yabo.
oh, so now we're like, it's not like when I was going to the gig, I was gonna make more than what I'm gonna make over the weekend when I'm doing my work.
Weekend told Saturday, okay, kune gig lapha mina ngiye ePortshepstone ngiyosebenza la, mgibele phezulu kwamabhasi lapha abantu babhizi bapolisha icathulo baya kwi-event le, mina ngibele emabhasini
So you were
ngiyasebenza.
busy.
So leyo nto but ibike yana ukungiphatha, like
Yeah.
since abantu beyiraise ukuthi why do you keep on inviting abantu
That don't invite
recognize wena, ngathi hayi maybe abanawo amandla, but not even a single person. Okay, I think mina this year or last year only 2 people that reach out to me about a gig, only 2.
Let us give them credit. Who are they? Let us give them credit.
No, the reason why I don't want to mention them, it's
You do
because
exclude others now.
ama gigs wabo akaphumi post, akaphumi next.
Oh,
Ngenzela ukuthi
okay.
if lento engiyicelile ukuthi bangenzele yona afford, kungathiwa hey uAzile wathi lapha kwi-podcast uya kwi-event kabani, and then ubani manje akasambizi,
obvious ukuthi kusho ukuthi azange alivumela.
hey why uAzile nje wawufonile nje wabuza utheni ubiza imali eningi noma guys hayi angikho na expensive man.
Okay, so but then there are some things in the pipeline.
Yes, so abantu like angifuni man disclose it.
I hear you
because ngifuna ibe one on one.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, sikhulume ngaleyo nto, but hayi for ama bookings
you're open.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm available, just that ke angizukwazi ukukhomba abantu ngezibhamu ukuthi hey ngifuna ukuba lapha mina ama artist asesiyoni ngiyawathanda.
Yeah.
Mina before ngibe artist bengiyifan, and namanje ngisazibiza ngefan Sion Gospel.
Okay.
The reason why ngizibiza ngefan, it's because when I invite abantu for that gig, I don't check ukuthi lo angithi abantu khona abantu ba raise izinto bathi you know uAzile or these guys, they don't want to invite that artist because that artist it's doing better than I don't work like that. If ungitshele uma kufika uDr Winnie kwi-show yami, do you think mina ngikwi-level ka-Dr Winnie?
And so she can elevate your show. She even elevate you.
What is important to us as BBI Entertainment ukuthi labantu esibenzela i-event ba-enjoye, baphile kuphela istress yonke into. It's for them, not for me.
Look at what Busi did is all.
Yes. What's this? Ngibuyisela ama glasses ami. Lo angibonile ukuthi nginjani.
That was a performance, eh?
And it's my first time ngibona i-performance yakhe.
Nah, I mean, that's something else, man. It was something else, man.
Yes, siyazi kwanyakaza
I was saying to Madam, that was not a performance.
Yes.
That was she was preaching. She was preaching, man.
Yes.
Anyway, yes.
I-performance yakhe. So mina if ngenza i-gig, I look at the artist ezonikeza la bantu base, I'm not gonna say East London now because their event is being supported by everyone. Eastern Cape yonke, even nala eGauteng. I've got abantu abasuka la eGauteng bafly by lokhunjeni East London for that event.
Okay.
So
yes. When you make that one, please invite us so that we can also.
Nizoba khona.
Please. So
nizoba khona nje i-2nd ka-November.
So you've already did for the next one already?
I mean i-date iphuma uma siphuma kuleya show ngosuku olulandelayo ngizonitshela ukuthi hayi ke i-3rd annual ibi right, ibi mnandi, asihlanganeni kwi-4th annual.
Yeah, on this date.
I'm using a first weekend of November.
Is it?
Yes. I'm using a first weekend of November.
So are we also gonna, should we start learning Xhosa man?
Yeah, kumele nizame-
benjani ishow sis.
funeka nisazi isixhosa xa nifika pha
Yeah.
abantu bakwazi ukuniva uba ngaba nithini.
Eish singaro ibeyilijwa andikuva but andikuva.
Uyayibona?
Yeah.
Funeka nifunde isixhosa kwangoku so that xa
Yeah.
nifika pha ningasokoli xa ni-interview abantu.
What message would you like to give to Azile
Azile Mvandaba.
Mvandaba?
Eh.
Umuntu avendaba. Angithi isho kanjalo ngithi because my son
Mvandaba,
by the way my son is the one who always does
Oh,
this thing so
Wow.
he was asking me what does
Mvandaba,
what does
this
Mvandaba
mean?
mean? So I said to him ukuthi someone who had the news.
Mvandaba.
It is true then.
In fact yeah Mvandaba kahle kahle igama leli.
Oh,
Igama.
Yeah.
Angithi ngokwe lokho nje ngokwasemaXhoseni ne. If wena unabantwana and then abantwana ube nabazukulu abazalwa izingane zakho, then le ingane zakho labazukulu bakho babe nezingane zabo, baye bathi okay ubaba wethu beku MJ, so sifuna sazi ukuthi okay thina we are from mhlambe
which clan we say.
so kune okay mina ngikala kaMphandana uvumisa.
Yeah.
So kunonkala, then onkala bahlukene, kukhona omvandaba, kukhona ogadu, bahlukene yabo ngokwesename. So sihlula indlu uba ngaba uAzile uzale obani nobani and then ebantwaneni bakhe then kube khona othi thina singaba kaMvandaba but njengoba thina as brothers thina sisendlini ka MJ. So ndinguAzile MJ, ndingu-Atom Yai, ndinguThapelo Azile. So into lentoza we call it a last name.
Oh.
So iyona thina siyisebenzisayo. Ngoba uba ngaba ukhokho wami wayengumvandaba. Siyasho bathi naye siphuma kwankala but siphuma kwigroup kabani.
Yes, what message would you like to give to your followers and those who are only starting to know you now?
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, thank you for watching this podcast. Ninixolele if khona apho ningani-understandanga.
Abakuxoleli baba. Abakuxoleli. We have got viewers who are Xhosa, who listen to people speaking Speedy.
Yeah.
We've got viewers who are Zulu, who are Tsonga, who are Venda, and they never apologize
And
for speaking their language. I think, I was able to hear you when you was speaking. People can do the same.
Yeah.
We are Sebantu abamnyama.
Abamnyama.
The sooner we start learning our languages of each other, the better. Because everyone is important. No one is important to the other language. No one should forgive you for speaking your language. People should just try to understand your language. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, before the shwankathele ngokwesiXhosa.
Yeah.
Before nishwankathele and conclude.
Yeah.
Ngicela usalutha abantu abebeyiphathi ye production yami okanye ye brand uAzile, abacontribute kule brand endiyiyo namhlanje, ayinisebenza nabo ngoku neningasasebenzi nabo. Ndicela ukuthi enkosi kakhulu mazenethole kuninonke. Ndingamvaleli ngaphandle kune-artist endiye ndasebenza nazo, which is the late Dr. Kenny Makweng, uThapelo Tsotetsi, usebenza nabani ngoku. This new album ndisebenze no Budroni.
Oh, yes.
Ndisebenza noMlebo.
Yes.
Khona enye into efudumeleyo
Yeah.
ezayo.
Oh, are you talking about the one that you are still going to release?
Yes.
Okay.
The one is.
Yes.
Ngisebenze no Braroni, no Punka, no Mlebo.
Yeah.
So niyilindele naleyo album iyeza and idinga support yenu. And salute madoda producer ya my dog uDubi Diesel.
Yes.
The Terence Morgan. Yeah, Manu Brawam. It's a great experience to work with him. Ngiyafuna ukum acknowledge each and every time ngithola platform ekanje. udlala irole enkulu kakhulu. Okay, as ndivalelisa ngoku, thank you for watching guys. Ndicela nindisupporte my music ukhona online kuwona wonke ama digital stores. Azile Mvandaba, i-album yami yokuqala unguye yedwa, ilandelwa single yami ethi elakho igama. After that single, i-album yami yesibini ethi kuzolunga, and then nayo leyo album ilandelwa zisingle eziyi-2. Eyokuqala ithi ucela ntoni na, eyesibini ithi uyasimangalisa Jehova uyasimangalisa. So you can go online ucheck umusic wami ku-YouTube. Ngise-busy ndizonikeza umculo omnandi noba ndi-busy nezinye izinto, but nizozama ukuba every time ndihlale imimoya yenu ivuselelekile ngomculo wami. Thank you so much.
Thanks, bra. First of all, I didn't know you before today. It was nice meeting you, and I think you've got a very clear head, and I wish you can also use that head also for music, because I think probably it might give you something as well, because the experience that you have on the other thing that you are doing can also work on this on this side. Listening to you, I started listening to you late last year. I forgot it. I think it was a post from either. Actually, I think it was around the time when you were making the event. Yes. I started listening to you. Oh, okay. There's something. It is something different. And I like songs of different Venex. I like different students. So that's why I also found peace in your song. Okay, there's something different. And I saw that there's the whole album, the second album, that when you called it, because I didn't know what you had another one. I was only checking that one. I would definitely be listening to a new album now. The first one that you say is Sold Much. Sold Much. I will listen to it as well. Good luck, and we hope your music, you can take it serious, number one, and it does something for you. And we also like to appreciate the effort that you do, because this is not the first time that we wanted to meet. But then, like you say, I'm busy, so we were busy with other things. Thanks for taking your time as well. You are not only doing, we appreciate, you're not only doing this for yourself. We also appreciate it as well. We are not doing you a favor here. You've also taken your time to be with us. Thank you very much. And to everyone, thank you as well. Please don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet again. Thank you. Let me know. Thank you.
When I was a feeling, man,